If you want to find gallery on OnePlus 15, all you have to do is you need to simply find the Photos app. For example, we can use this blue icon, this Photos app that we have over here. By default, it is of course in the home screen, but you should also be able to find it in the app drawer. So there we go, this is how it looks like. This is the OnePlus's original app. That definitely looks like a gallery. And in here we can also access albums, so we can have different categories. We also have the locked section, so you should be able to easily navigate in this gallery, and you should be able to find your photos and videos that you took or recorded. And besides that, there's also a similar app, also Photos, but this one is made by Google. And this one of course also can be used as a gallery quite easily. It also has all this, pretty much all the stuff that we have in the other one, and this one is just made by Google. And of course we can enable the backup option to backup photos and videos using our Google account. So it's up to you which one you prefer to use. Both of them are great and both of them can do their job as galleries. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.